Podcast. Best 11 Web Development Trends in 2022. Welcome to the new episode of the Auxano Global Services Podcast. Our agenda for today is to discuss web development and the prominent trends in 2022. Kindly subscribe to and follow our podcast to listen to more such content. We will discuss the best web development trends creating a transition in the industry in this podcast.
Listen now.
Web development has become a crucial necessity among businesses. However, staying on top of the web development trends is more important in today's era. These trends can help companies and developers meet user requirements and suggest better specifications to accomplish expected goals. Every year, the web development domain gives birth to new trends and patterns. It's justified to expect fresh web development trends in 2022. If you are a business person or developer, reviewing these trends is a must for everyone. Web development has become an essential portal for customers to interact with brands. It's a digital point of contact for companies. Although everyone knows the power of web development, many refuse the domain's transition and enhancement with new trends. It's better to stay up to date with these patterns to develop better web platforms every time. The trends in web development are the latest hot gossip in the market. These patterns focus on improving user experience and creating better web apps for everyone's benefit. Let's walk through the most significant web development trends in 2022 for enhanced outcomes. Top 11 web development trends to check out in 2022. 1. Progressive web apps, PWAs. The progressive web apps, PWAs, get the first rank in our list of the top web development trends. Since its inception, PWAs have revolutionized the web development industry. A PWAs is a website with a native mobile app experience. It's the perfect blend of the two concepts and exists independently. Such transitioning websites have simplified the development process, requiring minimal investment from the stakeholders. Besides, PWAs have taken support and maintenance to all new levels for the developers. PWAs are the best platforms if you are willing to serve high-quality user experiences. So, a business should consider PWAs if all these goals are on its checklist. 2. Single-page application, SPA. Another prominent web development trend in 2022 is the single-page application. The convenience that SPAs offer has helped them enter our rank list. SPAs have changed the conventional web loading process. These applications load the entire website before even bringing the relevant content on screen. Consequently, you can get fast-loading web pages and lower visitor bounce rates. Working on SPAs can help brands outstrip the extensive market competition. They can help in faster debugging and impart better navigability to traditional apps from a developer's standpoint. 3. Serverless architecture. One of the most significant utilization of cloud technology is our upcoming web development trend. It's the serverless architecture of web apps. Earlier, developers and companies had to brainstorm servers before creating a feature-rich website architecture. However, the emergence of the serverless concept on the horizon has simplified everything to a massive extent. The serverless architecture builds captivating web apps that don't rely on servers and work on cloud platforms. Although cloud platforms have servers underneath, they are not to worry for a developer working on a serverless architecture. 4. Voice search optimization. Voice search optimization is a ruling trend across domains, from web development to digital marketing. As more audiences prefer voice searches, this trend will stay on top of all other entries in our list. Such a user tendency has made it necessary for developers to consider voice search optimization in their web apps. Consequently, the acceptance rate of web server API to leverage voice search optimization has hiked. Looking at the long-term outcomes, we understand that voice search optimization is a must to help the websites get a higher rank on the search engines. Thus, more and more developers are focusing on voice search optimization. 5. Mobile-first development approach. Mobile users are populating the world. More people are getting connected to the Internet via mobile. So, mobile devices have become a crucial platform for customers to interact with brands through websites. So, missing out on mobile optimization for websites can be a deadly mistake for developers. Moreover, it's a best practice to keep mobile optimization as the focal point from the initial web development phases. That's what we call a mobile-first development approach. It is a mindset where developers and brands prioritize mobile optimization, leading to a smartphone-oriented development approach. It will help them harness the potential audiences using mobile devices with better experiences and customized offerings. 6. AI-powered chatbots. Leveraging AI-powered chatbots in websites has become a dominant trend in 2022. As end users prefer interacting with a bot over human representatives online, chatbots are a must-have for all websites. Chatbots are continuously improving with better machine learning, AI, neural language processing, and deep learning algorithms working in the background. These robots have high success rates in driving customer experiences and solving their concerns without human intervention. A chatbot-driven website has better sales values, higher visitor retention, and more profitability than other web platforms. So, web developers are focusing on chatbot integration in websites in 2022. 7. No-code, low-code development. Getting a website up and running in a short span is the secret sauce to making a company successful and staying competitive. However, complex programming slows down the web development process. As a website takes more time to get developed, businesses can miss out on game-changing opportunities. Overall, faster web development is the need of the hour. It leads to another trend in the website development horizon. No-code or low-code website development is the priority these days. No-code or low-code web development requires negligible programming. Even the non-coders can develop elusive websites through simple features on the graphical user interface, GUI. So, the web development arena is near to giving up on coding in the upcoming years. 8. Internet of Things (IoT). Connecting tangible things with websites is a leading trend in the web development industry. The Internet of Things has already penetrated our lives and reached out to websites. However, it will exponentially grow in the upcoming years. Developers are stressing about leveraging IoT in websites to enhance user experience and understand their tastes in real time. It will help businesses stay connected with users through physical devices and an active internet connection. Consequently, their sales and profitability will rise to extraordinary heights in a short span. 9. Enhanced user experience with AR and VR. Users' expectations have increased. They are hard to impress and push down the sales funnel. Customers want a more immersive experience from websites these days. Augmented and virtual realities can help businesses and developers fulfill their demands in the blink of an eye. AR and VR are the primordial technologies having high capabilities of feeding customer appetites. They act as a robust medium to serve a higher user experience once they access business websites. Consequently, brands can leverage AR and VR on their websites to attract more buyers, retain them, and convert leads quickly. 10. Dark mode standardization. The next trend deals with website aesthetics. It's about the dark mode available on many websites and apps these days. Dark mode has become quite popular lately. Since its inception, it became a user favorite in a short span. The dark mode gives an elegant feel to any website and allows visitors to process the content better. It reduces blue light emission and saves the eyes from getting strained. Besides, the dark mode helps the visitors access the websites through all devices efficiently. All these benefits help businesses harness more customers and drive profitability to optimum heights. 11. Cybersecurity in web development. The Internet and extensive websites have increased our convenience over time. However, increased threats and vulnerabilities are the significant cons of such comfort. The incidents of websites getting hacked and attacked by cybercriminals aren't new. These events are becoming more severe and popular than ever. So, web developers need to rethink website security and leverage better cybersecurity algorithms in their platforms. Such an enhanced adoption of cybersecurity in websites is the newest trend in the industry that everyone considers. Conclusion. Web development trends are bound to increase user satisfaction and skyrocket business goals. Adhering to them will produce better and more well-customized websites for the brands. As more users will get impressed by web apps following all trends, they will stay loyal to brands and hike their conversion rates. So, it's high time to leverage these web development trends in your business. Auxano Global Services is a leading web development company having extensive experience building robust websites aligned with the latest industry trends. Do you want our assistance in developing groundbreaking websites? Kindly contact us at admin@auxanoglobalservices.com if that's the case. It's a wrap for our new podcast episode. Thank you for listening till the end. We will keep bringing more freshly brewed topics before you through new podcast sessions. Don't forget to subscribe to our podcast to get more helpful information in the future. Follow our podcast channel to get a notification whenever a new episode on the latest technology innovation rolls out. Stay tuned to listen to our new podcast.